Military blues, industrial blue. What's going on with this shoe right here, man? Like, there's a lot. There's a lot going on with anticipated Jordan 4 military blues. Man, crazy, but let's talk about that on today's video, guys. This is the military blue. You know, I already gave you that early look and also a early on-fit look. The videos are on the channel, so make sure to go and check that out in case you haven't yet. But today I'm gonna give you the latest information about the military blues, industrial blue, or whatever Nike wants to call these shoes. And also I'm gonna tell you why I think Nike is changing the name of this shoe on Sneakers App. Yeah, all that. Let's talk about release date changes, shock drop, the name controversy, all that. So guys, these right here is the military blue Jordan 4, and one of the main controversies about the issue is with the name, because Nike made an event where they were showing the upcoming releases for this year, and they called the shoe industrial blue. But we all know these shoes as military blue, being a OG colorway, and everyone was going crazy on the internet. Like, is this not the military blues? This is a brand new colorway, very similar, but it's industrial blue or something like that. Nah, this is the shoe. This is the military blue. The reason why Nike is not calling these military blues, and now they're calling them industrial blue, in my opinion, okay, this is something that I'm going to say because of the experience that I have with Nike, because this is not the first time Nike changed the popular name of a shoe. We've seen it with the Jordan 7 Raptors. They didn't call them Raptors, but we all call them like that. And so many other shoes that they have changed the names. And I think that's because of legal reasons. I don't know what's the legal problem with the military blue name. I don't know about that. Probably something like this Air Force One, the Tiffany blue. There's legal reasons why only the Tiffany company can use the Tiffany blue name. So I think something like that is happening with the military blue name. Who knows? But this is the shoe. This is the military blue that we all know. But a lot of times we call a shoe popularity, we call a shoe by a name, but Nike just calling them for a different one. Like with the Nike Dunk Lows, the black and white, everyone called that shoe the Pandas, but Nike just called them black and white. All right? So that is that with the name. I don't give a damn about the name. I love the shoe and I'm going to get it. And that just takes me to the next point. When are we going to be able to get these shoes? When will we buy these shoes in stores and Sneakers App? Well, man, Nike has been pushing back the shoes over and over. And now the official release date for these shoes is May 25th. Will they change it? We gotta wait. We gotta wait because Nike can do whatever that they want with their releases. I mean, it's their issue and they can do just that, whatever that they want with the shoe. But it's something that doesn't feel good. Like, we've been waiting for the shoes, but Nike keeps changing the release date over and over and over. And to be honest, for some people, it's a good thing that Nike has pushed back the shoes, because in May, we're going to have a ton of releases, really good releases. So you might want a little bit more time to save money to go for these, because this is one of them shoes this year that you can't slip on. Trust me, you don't want to slip on these shoes. And talking about sleeping on these shoes, let's talk about the stock number of these shoes. There will be more pairs of the military blues than the pairs that we had for the Jordan Bread Reimagined. More pairs of these than the pairs we had on these, and man, this shoe was a shoe that I was able to get 3 pairs of this one on release date. And we're going to have more pairs of these. I see mixed emotions with the stock number of these, because first it was rumored to be like 800 pairs, and now people are talking about over 1 million pairs of the military blue 4. I don't think that's a bad news at all. Like for real, I think that's amazing news, because if there's a shoe that I want Nike to mass produce, it's this one. We want as much pairs as we can to get of this shoe, because this shoe, have you realized that this shoe has only released 2 times prior to this one? 2 times only. And now we're gonna have the 3rd one. So can you imagine how long would it take for Nike to release this shoe again after this time? So you want the best chance you can have to get these shoes, man. Like over 1 million pairs, I think that's amazing. And remember, that's gonna be worldwide. It's not gonna be only on the United States. And I think that over 1 million pairs coming include GS size and full family size. But for the men's pair, I think there will be a lot, like over 500,000 pairs. I'm pretty sure about that. And I'm pretty happy about that. That's amazing news, because that just means we have a bigger chance to get these shoes if we really want it. But don't get so confident that because there will be a lot of pairs, you should relax on the shoe. Don't do it, because this is a shoe that you won't see going on sale. Simply like that, you won't see them going on sale. Shoes like this don't go on sale. These are special. These are OG, classic, and to be quite honest, one of the most beautiful Jordan 4s that you can get. I mean, the colorway on this one is super damn beautiful. So don't relax, do your diligence, do whatever that you gotta do to secure at least your main pair. If you want to double up, do your footwork. But I'm pretty sure that if you really want it, you're gonna get it. And that's amazing, because this is something that has just been happening recently. Imagine this shoe releasing in 2020. You know this will be an immediately sold out, even if Nike released 2 million pairs. So don't think that if the shoe's sitting, the shoe's trash. You gotta change that mindset. People who say that the shoe seating is a trash shoe, you're not a real sneakerhead in my opinion. In my opinion, you're not. You're probably a reseller wannabe, or just a reseller period, because I think the fact that shoes are seating is great. Will these shoes seat? I don't think so. For real, I don't think so. Probably it's gonna be a fairly easy shoe to get on release date, but you won't see these shoes sitting a week after release date. Nah, do your diligence. Make sure to check your pairs, because you know Nike quality control is like, you know. But man, this shoe is so special that this shoe caused trouble to another shoe that just recently released, and I'm talking about the Jordan 9 Powder Blues. Because of the Powder Blue 9s being kind of similar to the Jordan 4 Military Blues when it comes to colorway and color blocking, a lot of people slept on these. That's why these shoes still sitting in stores in most sizes. They won't sit for long, trust me. Next month, this shoe will be gone. But just because people want these shoes so bad, and both of these has kind of the same colorway, even though the shade of blues are not the same, but very, very similar, this shoe is sitting just for that reason, in my opinion. Both of these shoes are OG shoes, and I'm pretty happy to have both. But comes release date, I'm coming for another pair of these. And if I can get 2 more, because I want 3 pairs of these, just like I did with a reimagined bread, I'm gonna do it. So will we have a shock drop? I can guarantee you we will. There will be a lot of pairs, and the shoe has been pushed back. And I think if not by the end of next month, at the beginning of May, we're going to have a shock drop on these shoes. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you want to get the latest update on a potential shock drop on the Jordan 4 Military Blue, Industrial Blue, Pearl Blue, Sky Blue, whatever shade of blue you want to call these shoes for. I'm gonna let you know right here on the channel. But if you want to get as soon as possible the latest update about any new information about these shoes or any other shoe that you really care about, you're going to get it right here on my Instagram, JasonJKicks. I'm always uploading videos, pictures, sneaker information like shock drop, early access, all kind of sneaker information that you're looking for. You're going to get it on my Instagram, JasonJKicks. Thank you guys a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates about these and more sneakers that are going to drop this year. So subscribe to the channel, leave a like for your boy, because you're really gonna help me a lot just by leaving a like. Also, share your thoughts about all what's going on with the military blues, industrial blues, sky blue, pearl blue, blue, whatever blue you want to call them. Man, just let me know your thought on the comment section, guys. I really appreciate all the love that you've been showing to me and to my channel. And what else can I say, man? Till the next one. If you want to see the early review on these, that's on the channel. Go and take a look at it. Also, an early on-fit look. So, till the next one. Woo! Goodbye.